There's no 2 Minute Tuesday this week. We're back next week and we've got a really great video for you next week. However, this week we're just going to give you a short little video that we filmed yesterday. It was a bit of a cloudy day, but it's one of the new build properties that we've getting close to completing now up in Pinoso. So if you're in the market for a property and you hadn't considered off-plan or new build, maybe have a look at this short little video and it may be interesting for you. It's amazing what you can get for your money when you do a new build property.